me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Hey loves, it is your girl Joeylissette. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is a makeup review. I am reviewing Gwen Stefani's new makeup line called Give. I am here to find out, is it giving what it's supposed to give, or do I need to go ahead and give it back to Sephora? Gwen, did you do your thing? Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial so we can find out. So let's get, why is like the lightness so off? Let's go ahead and apply the primer. I usually use the Coconut Smoothie Primer from Rite Aid Beauty, but I decided to switch it up today. So for brows, we have Edge Control and NYX Brow Pencil in the color Ash Brown. So we're just gonna brush the brow hairs up. Of truth. So this is the box. This is the packaging, really cute. It's some ASMR. I'm going to start off with First Class. Very pigmented. Okay. Yeah, very pigmented. Like, and mind you, this is just from dipping it in once. I have not had to dip it back in times. That's pretty good. Better than gold. Just blend out that harsh line from First Class. Now I'm taking a clean brush. On it. I'm just going back and forth to blend out. So we're going to go back in with that P. Louise base, and we're going to carve out our crease. Hollywood Mansion. It's really nice because it's a shimmer, and usually you have to put on a color underneath to really make that shimmer pop. Okay, so we're going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil Black and we're going to line a little bit here. I'm going to go back in with Hollywood Mansion. I'm just gonna highlight. I put on the lotions. Okay, like, this is beautiful. Gwen. So we're gonna go ahead and curl the lashes. For mascara, I'm using the MAC Stacks. So far, if this eyeshadow palette is any indication of the quality of the rest of her makeup line, I'm here for it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lash glue right above my lash line. Just stick them in the curl like so. Make sure it's nice and even, and just curl them. This looks so beautiful. Like, it looks so simple and beautiful. Anyway, so I'm gonna do the next eye for TikTok. So now it's time for the foundation. Remember, I already applied the primer. It's had time to sit. This is the Forever Skin Glow from Dior. This looks so freaking natural. So we're gonna be using KVD and I love it. And the thing is with this look, I don't want to be too dramatic when it comes to the contour. I really didn't want to record today. It's crazy how some of the best work is always on days where you don't feel like doing anything. I have a new camera coming, so I wanted to record on the new camera, but it won't be here till Tuesday. I've been really good with being consistent with content. And I have dry skin, so I'm gonna lightly set under my eye. I'm not gonna bake. No baking for dry skin. It's going to dry out our skin even more and make it look horrible. So now we're gonna work on the under eye. So they were all sold out of the black liner, so I had to buy the blue called Bath Water. Damn. Did it turn? Fuck. When? Oh my gosh, this is like, maybe if I turn it, there's no plastic thing on it. Find the waterline. I'm gonna take my contour stick and warm it up on the back of my hand. This honestly has been the best tip. It comes out so natural looking every time, and you put on the right amount because you can build up to it. And lately I've been liking my contour to be super light. In fact, I've been preferring my blush to stand out a lot more in my contour. And it's probably because it's summer and spring. For the blush, I'm using Fit Me Berry. I'm taking it right up here. Take some Charlotte Tilbury. And we are just going to finish off everything, putting it all over. Time for the lips. Very pigmented. I actually had to wipe some off. I did not have to dip it back. I'm still using whatever is left over. All in all, I think the line is amazing. I really love it. The eyeshadow is perfect. The lip. So usually I always have lip gloss. I hate how drying the matte lips are. This is not drying at all. I actually enjoyed purchasing this and doing an honest review. If you want me to review any other makeup lines or skincare lines, go ahead and drop them below. I would love to do that. And until next time.